Hi, I'm Dan Stoneking, the founder of Message Prism. I want to take just a few seconds to show you how fast, easy, and importantly effective Message Prism is for communicators. In this example, I'm going to take an advisory that came out from Philadelphia, and I'm going to cut and paste it right into where it says enter details. Now, in this case, I typed ahead of time, please replicate this Philadelphia message for Westchester, PA. Add our One Heat Aid phone number for anyone who needs immediate medical or law enforcement help. And finally, I asked it in this product to lead with compassion for individuals in the community. So step 2, you simply choose the products. In this case, I'm picking a press release, talking points, and an advisory. However, you could pick all 9. In less than a minute, Message Prism creates those documents. In creating those documents, they are balanced and measured by the emergency management principles of information. They ensure that your final messages ready for your review are ethical, actionable, and follow all of those principles. So here we have it already. And as you can see, Westchester Emergency Management, this is the press release, is issuing an extreme heat warning. I'm not going to read the whole things, but it goes on to say things you did not even see in Philadelphia's short message. It talks about heat exhaustion and stroke, and it talks about people who are working outside. And it gives considerable help. It also gives updated information. I want to draw your attention to this column to the left because these are the reminders it gives you as you humanize it and do your final review. You can add a quote from your agency. You can confirm the availability of cooling centers and so much more. So on each product, and I'll now go to talking points, you get these same kind of tips for things to do. In the talking points, you see we have talking points, followed by if asked, followed by things you do not want to say, and a reminder that every question is an opportunity to bridge back. Finally, in the press advisory, what's happening, who's affected, when, where to get more information. This is the kind of information that people need immediately, and Message Prism provides it. I want to point out the first line, we are deeply concerned. I asked it to show compassion, and it did show compassion. These are just 3 examples of what Message Prism can do for you in 3 easy steps. Message Prism.
Okay.
I think it's workable.
Here's what I think those are workable and they're a good start, but I really think we need to look into this
All right, that's it.
product. It's